Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got us another battle box. That's right, survival plus outdoors. Adventure delivered to you every single month if you so desire. But before we get into it, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Ring that notification bell. Although it don't do absolutely nothing. It may. You never know. So you guys ready to get into some battle box? I know I am. This thing is really hot. So we got to get on this. You guys ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with BattleBox. And as per usual, if you're interested in BattleBox, go to Google, type in BattleBox. You'll find it. They got a bunch of boxes for you to subscribe from. A lot of levels. We get like the Pro Plus box, I think. I don't know. We're going to find out. It would help if I cut all the tape. You got to forgive me. I'm a Viking. I don't know what tape is. I thought it was some kind of magic voodoo. Alright, there we go. Okay. There's some stuff. Alright, not bad. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, Battle Box. This is mission brief number 132. And regardless of what my channel members are saying live, which you can find down there by the subscription, subscribe to the channel button. There's a little join button. You can be here live. Now, this is historically accurate. Look here, man. Vikings get old too, and they get to where they can't see, so they got to wear glasses too. This is historically accurate. All right, this is mission brief 132. Adventure delivered. A guy out here in some coldness, pretty, but cold. All right, we're going to look at the stuff. All right, mission 132, built for the outdoors. Being an outdoor enthusiast, it's about perfect weather or picture-perfect trips. It's about being ready for whatever the day brings and having the gear that works when conditions change. Mission 132, it's built for the outdoors. For the people who adapt, fix problems on the fly, and stay comfortable no matter where the trail, road, river leads. This box is about practical outdoor readiness. Clean up without water, patch gear when it tears, start fire from your pocket, navigate with confidence, sit back, need a break, power up when there's no outlets in sight, blah, 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 blah. All right, we're going to pull stuff out. First thing we got right here is some lemongrass with citronella, essential oil. These are Clean Freak body wipes. It's a shower in your pocket. If I'm a Viking, what's a shower? It's when you just jump off the boat. Right? Alright, it says 0 alcohol. It's got essential oils. It's packed for on the go. It's biodegradable. And it helps fight the bugs. Oh, bro, this got witch hazel in it. Hey, don't get witch hazel on your privates. Don't ask me how I know. Just don't do it. There's 12 of these. They are 11 inch by 11 inch. These things ain't bad. I'm pretty sure Vikings would have appreciated it. Maybe not. They probably didn't care. They was too busy doing what they do. All right, we got a Pro Map compass. Base plate map compass. Okay, these are cool. It works. It's pointing north. North is that way, so it's pointing that way, so we're Gucci. Breakaway safety lanyard. It's got a declination scale. It's got a 3x magnifier. It's got 6 units of measurement. So there you go. There's a little depiction if you want to check it out. You want to pause that and look at it. There you go. These things are always good. Now, look, there ain't no shame. There ain't no shame if you don't know how to use a compass. There's no shame in that. Vikings, they knew about other things, like what they used back in the day. What is that, a sextant thing? Where they used the stars and the constellations and stuff. Did the Vikings use that? Or did they just, get in their boats and say, we're going that way until we find some land, and then we're going to take over all the people? I think that's what they did. Just saying. But anyway, if you don't know about using a compass, it's cool. Because all you got to do is go to Amazon, and there's a bunch of good books on land navigation that you can get. And you can literally teach yourself how to use a compass. And like I said, there ain't nothing bad about not knowing. Don't be ignorant. Get yourself educated. All right. Next thing we got is from Gear Aid. And again, this is another brand of stuff that we see a lot in these subscription boxes from Gear Aid. And this is the aforementioned repair tape. And it is Reuben. That's kind of weird color, man. It's like a taupe, like baby poop. Maybe, I don't know. It's 3-inch by 20-inch nylon strip. Okay, it says peel and stick, patch holes and tears in tents, jackets, outdoor gear instantly. Easy to use, long-lasting, adhering, blah, blah, blah. Pause it if you want to read all that. But it is some repair tape, which is always good. I always need that kind of stuff. That's not bad. I'm going to say this is our knife, right? We got a knife. Cleaver. Leave it to Beaver. We'll open that last. Oh, hey, we got a little card here from Wazoo, man. The 3-pack of their fire cards. Okay. Now, if you don't know about this company, Wazoo, you ought to go check them out. They make a lot of really cool stuff. I've got a belt on that has compartments in it from Wazoo and all that kind of stuff. Okay, what we got here? We got something from Grand Trunk. A Compass 360 stool, perfect for camp, hunt, work, leisure. So this is just a little, fold out, little stool. 260-pound capacity. So, for you bigger fat guys, it'll hold your fat butt. Like Cliff. Like Cliff. Okay, so yeah, there you go. You got your camp stool. Very, very compact, very portable. So you don't have to sit on the ground, sit on the stool. There you go. All right. All right, man, we got something from Dark Energy, man. I like Dark Energy. Oh, wait, we got some fire cards. Hold up a second. Wait. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. They gave us some Wazoo fire cards. Now, these are really cool because they're weatherproof fire starters that you can take the card and you can take your blade or whatever and you can scrape the card to build fire tinder. And you can carry these in your wallet because they're about the size of a credit card. So these things right here are really cool. And this is a 3-pack. So you get 3 of them janks. Very cool. Like I said, go to Wazoo if you don't know nothing about Wazoo. It's wazoogear.com right there. Wazoogear.com. Go check them out. Very cool. All right, that's awesome. Okay, let's get to this Dark Energy thing here. Now, I've got my experience with Dark Energy is from all of their portable power banks. The little portable battery banks. Absolutely love them. Now, this is a solar-powered charger. A solar panel. Word? This is an 8-watt. This is an 8-watt panel. Look at that. Check that out. Oh, yeah, I like that. Okay, so this is it. This is everything in the box. Put that down there. Okay. So here it is. And, of course, to even get the manual, you've got to scan the QR code, and they want you to remove the sticker before you use it. So let's see. You just fold this bad boy out, I assume, right? It's got some snaps. Look at that. There it is. There it is. That's 8 watts. Okay. Okay, and on here you can see you got your USB Type-C and then your USB Type-A. Okay, and you got something going on there. Let's see. Let me pull this thing off and see what's behind here. I'm pretty sure this is just where the electronics and the battery, like a battery and electronics and stuff is. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm not going to peel that off because I want to scan that and get more information. But dude, I mean, you can see how big this thing is. It's very, very compact. Like, for real. I mean, dude, that's not much bigger than my knife mat. That is awesome. That is awesome. There you go, Dark Energy, man. I'm about to try this out, yo, for real. That's cool. All right, cool. Well, I tell you one thing. this month, whatever month this is, they delivered, at least on everything they said in the card. They hit, you know, they dotted all the I's and crossed the T's. Okay, so we got something here called Cleaver. And I'm assuming it's a little knife. And I would be correct. It's a little knife. Okay. Okay. Ooh, that smells nice. Because, you know, Vikings, you know, we like leather. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's pull this. Let's free this from its sheath. Okay, nice sheath. Does have a strap for retention and does have these two loops here that you can use it for a belt or whatever, pack. That's actually a nice knife, yo. I like the scales and I like the contrast. The stonewash kind of gray on the blade matches the it matches everything else. It's really good. It looks really good. I really like that, man. That's actually nice. Okay, we got a really big choil here. Do have a little sweep like here, and when you get it in your hand, you see it does have this little indent right here for your thumb. Because more than likely, if you're using this, you know, you want to get a control grip up on the blade. So, and that right there it's a reach for me because I got small hands. Now, if you got them normal Viking hands, you're going to be right at home with this little guy. It's going to feel very natural for you, is what I'm kind of getting at. And we do got, you know, a thing on the butt here where you can tie off or whatever. If you know, wanted to, whatever kind of MacGyver stuff you want to do with it, it's got you covered. So there you go. Okay, cool little knife. Okay, you know, this wasn't bad. Let's go to the card real quick and see what all we got. Oh man, my head's starting to sweat. I can feel it already. Okay, so the basic box, if you were to subscribe to the basic box this month, you would have got the Clean Freak body wipes, you would have got the compass, you would have got the repair tape, and you would have got the Wazoo fire card. 3-pack. Tree. 1-2 tree. It's not bad for your basic box. There you go. You step up to the advanced box, you would have got your kind of mid-fat boy chair. So there you go. All right. Then if we stepped up to the Pro box, we would have got the Dark Energy Spectre 8-watt solar panel. Okay. That is cool, man. That's cool. Like, check that out. That's actually a good idea. You can rig it like this onto your pack and stuff. I like that. You could probably rig it where, you know, depending on how you're hiking or walking, you could probably rig it to where it's open. So you could be traversing, have the thing on your back open, catching some sunlight, plug your crap into it, there you go. All right. And finally, if you would have stepped up to the Pro Plus box, you would have got the Braden Sweeten Cleaver. All right, let's see what we got here. It's designed by Braden Sweeten. The Cleaver is a compact fixed blade, D2 steel, 3.5-inch, Coyote Tan G10 handle, secure grip, 5.4 ounces. That's 5.4 ounces, D2 steel, 3.5 G10, total length 7.75. So there you go. All right, so that was BattleBox Mission Brief 132, brought to you by an old half-blind Viking. I don't know what to tell you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'd really greatly appreciate you on that. Man, this thing is bothering my nose. Ugh. The things I do for y'all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. God dog. And again, as per usual, if you need the Lord, you need some help, you need some guidance in your life, reach out to the Lord. God bless all of you. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Y'all be cool. Peace. Boop, boop. Woo! Holy irritation. Batman. Oh, my nose. It is irritating my nose. This thing's long, yo. Look at that. Look how long that thing is. It's long, bro. All right, we're going to hang this back up. Hang this back up for where it came. Now, let me see. How red is my face. Did that irritate me? I feel like I'm irritated. Just saying, I feel like I'm a little irritated. No, that's not bad. Okay, cool. All right. So like I said, hey, if you stuck around, because obviously I didn't turn the camera off, hey man, you know, think about becoming a channel member. Down there, join button, $4.99 a month. It's not going to break your bank. $4.99 a month, man. Bandit wants you to do it. Do. See? All right, what we got? What we got here? Viking prison shark. What? Viking with a 4-inch blade. I know this is emasculating, man, to give a Viking this knife. He needs a big old knife. Let's see. He's in cosplay mode? Nah. Well, my nose is red because I've got some kind of sinus crap going on. My dogs were in here that I'm allergic to, and now I put that thing on, which irritated the crap out of me. Hey, I pimp Bandit. I do whatever I got to do, man. To get more subs, to get more channel members, to get more people watching my videos. I'm desperate. I'm freaking out over here. Look, I even got the lava lamp making bubbles for y'all. Man, this is all I can do. I can't do nothing else. I'm at wit's end over here. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. Y'all be cool. Peace.